Guys, thought I just let you know that Apple finally seems to be field testing iOS 5, and seems like they're trying out some App Store applications. So why do we believe this? Well, it's because an App Store developer called FutureTap, they basically have unveiled that they have been getting a crash report from one of their, apps, and it came from an iOS 5 device. So basically, what does this mean? Well, no like normal user have iOS 5 installed, so that obviously means that it comes from Apple. So it seems like Apple is trying out some different apps from the App Store, and it seems like they're trying it out on different devices like the iPad, the first generation iPhone, and iPod Touch. And also, why did it crash? Well, this developer FutureTap, the cool thing about them is that they are making some map and location apps. They have some like cool maps and location apps. So, okay, so it did crash, and we heard this tracking thingy that Apple is going to change the way that they track people. So it seems like Apple could change some of their APIs in iOS 5, and that could have caused this crash. But yeah, obviously they're going to fix it. But still, kind of cool that they already are trying it out, and it seems like in this little crash report here, FutureTap could see on this little screenshot here that it seems like AT&T headquarters that they also are field testing iOS 5, because it seems like some of their crash reports come from AT&T. So that is kind of cool. Also, it seems like you won't need to have that dual core A5 processor to run the next iOS 5, and that's obviously very good. We also saw here on this little crash report here that it seems like Apple tried out iOS 5 on first generation iPad, and that's always good. I mean, if you are a first generation iPad user, you are going to be able to run iOS 5, hopefully. So that is very good. If you're wondering about what made iOS 5 crash, no, that app crash in iOS 5, it was basically a problem called MK user location breadcrumb. Yeah, very random there, but it's fun. And we're going to know more about iOS 5 here in June, when Apple finally are going to unveil it on their WWDC conference event in June. So look forward to that. See you.